I'm Srinivas, Sunrise Government Machinery, Bangalore. So we are manufacturer of garment finishing machineries and laundry equipments for garment industry as well as commercial laundry outlets. This is steam boiler and the iron we are using for a fast ironing and quality ironing. The vacuum ironing table will exhaust the air from the tabletop, and this is the steam. It is produced from the steam boiler with a capacity of 3 kg per hour. So the steam boiler will go to split into the ironing table. So the steam will go to set that totally. The iron will come and will be a neat iron, as well as there is no need of other side ironing. One is enough. One side is enough.